With the arrival of internet and all digital technologies, lead generation techniques have advanced massively in recent years. As a result, the strategy employed by sales and marketing teams have also shifted from what it was. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to talk about the future of lead generation and what else the future of lead generation has in store. Number one, artificial intelligence in lead generation. The introduction of machine learning and artificial intelligence is undoubtedly the biggest technological advancement of the 21st century. AI is currently helping many sales reps bring out the best in them and is surged to grow with every passing day, becoming the best revolution in lead generation and sales history. It is a known truth that AI is going to rule the process of lead generation within the next 2 to 3 years. At the present, it is responsible to dig out more potential leads than other marketing methods. According to researchers, it has been observed that businesses implement AI in their sales process get 59% better close rates for sales, 58% increase in revenue, and 54% more traffic and engagement. AI is much more than old marketing methods. AI tracks all the potential leads for your business by getting integrated with your system and is also used by many new tools that effectively help all and bring forward the best prospects available on the web. Number two, identify and nurture leads. It is known to all that every day a lot of people visit your site, but only a fraction of them turn out to become your customers. So it becomes important to track all these visitors and identify the best prospects for beneficial returns. This is exactly why lead nurturing is important, and AI can help businesses with both of these quite easily by using Google Analytics and searching the web, which humans can't do. AI can help sales rep with lead nurturing by tracking down the best leads and further by sending each one of them emails with offers and information about the product and services. AI keeps track of all the current customers and also notices other prospects, thereby sending all the best offers they need at the correct time, which is extremely important to keep them on hold. Number three, chatbots. Chatbots are very helpful and can make the life of many businesses easy. It tends to have conversations with many businesses at same time and offers all the information and answers to frequently asked questions so that none of them have to wait for a salesperson to come and answer their queries. The bots represent all of these conversations as pieces of data, and in the sales world, having customers' data can do wonders. Thus, with chatbots in place, businesses can gather tons of data which can be funneled into a spreadsheet or other analytics tools. Number four, faster customer support. Businesses of almost every scale having a big customer base can use AI for the fast customer support. Artificial intelligence can respond to the most frequently asked questions related to your software or services. It can also be taught to reply to some of the predictable queries and problems that users may face while using your service. With artificial intelligence, on one hand, you can even save your company from the pain of appointing highly trained executives to answer the questions raised by your clients, and on the other, you can keep your customer service active over the clock, that is 24/7. Also, a faster solution to your client's problem helps you to gain favor from everyone and also gain the trust of your present customers, thereby making your relationships with them last longer. Number 5. Make use of modern day technologies. Lead generation can be achieved with the help of many next generation tools, which deliver unimaginable results and help you locate, nurture, and convert potential leads into paying customers. Modern age tools like Arrow Leads, Growbots, Salesforce should be explored as they are creating a path for a better lead generating future. Lead generation as a sales process has been under constant charge with every passing day. Using the above method and implementing them smartly can help you increase the profit of your business in a way you could never have imagined before. So this is the end of the video. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward.